Hi everyone, it's been a while and I'm back with some updates for the month of May. It's an exciting month for me, particularly because I'm going to be in 3 cities that are very dear to me. Starting off with London, where we will be doing the Super Trunk Show with Jesper Ingevalsen of the Shoegazing blog, Justin Fitzpatrick of the Shoe Snob blog, and Kirby Allison of the Hanger Project. These 3 guys have been ideals for us in the shoemaking world and the gentleman's community. So to be following through with them for the 3rd year now in London, it's quite special. And for the first time, we'll be the prime sponsors of the event itself. I'll be the judge of the shoe shining competition and the patina competition. Quite excited to be there. The last 2 years have been great for us, and this year it's an even bigger event. So I hope to see you there. First of all, why is London so special to me? I studied in London. I spent a good part of my early career in London. It's a city where I've been in and out of for many years and lived there for many as well. It's where my sartorial journey started. I started to understand about Goodyear welting shoes, the big brands that are on the street, followed by the Super Trunk Show on the Saturday. On the Sunday, we have it at the Arterton, a private show. So if you want to come in on the Sunday, write to us, or the Arterton, we'll see you on Sunday. To finally have a store that is showcasing our shoes is quite a humbling moment. Not far away from Jermyn Street. It's on Princess Arcade. That's just off Jermyn Street. It makes it all the more special. After London, we go on to Singapore. In Singapore, we'll be at Seamless Bespoke, our partner store where we started off in December, late last year. This will be our 2nd trunk show. We're going to be doing it over a Saturday. And then a week later, we will be in Tokyo. Before I go to Tokyo, why is Singapore special to me? This was where I first left home and moved into a small flat with a friend. I did my last year of university studies there. So it was my first kind of break into the world, my first, in a sense, freedom into the world. I wanted to have a store so I could keep going back there to meet old friends and hopefully do business that will keep bringing me back. Late last year, we had that opportunity with Seamless Bespoke. That's another reason why Singapore is special to me. And followed by Tokyo. Tokyo is because, well, Mr. Watanabe is there. It's always nice to go back and spend more time with him. And the World Footwear Gallery, where we will be having our trunk show and displaying our shoes going forward, is one of the first stores I went into in Tokyo when I was going around looking at Goodyear welted shoes. I'm talking back in 2012 or 13, which was my first trip to Tokyo. I had a list of shops that I wanted to go and see, and the World Footwear Gallery on Ginza was one of the first stores. Beautiful little store, nice Japanese brands they stocked there and do trunk shows with. So about 10 years later, to be there with them is quite an honor. So that's London, Singapore, Tokyo, sort of international month this May. Hope to see you in one of those. Write to us. See you soon.